Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife Artistry. In case you are new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I achieved these beautiful nude lips. So guys, if you want to know how we achieve these beautiful nude lips, keep on watching. Yeah, so please make sure you subscribe to our channel and put on your post notifications so that you get notified when we post our next video. Okay guys, so I start by moisturizing her lips with a lip balm. So I'm going to ask the model to just smack her lips so that it's going to get moisturized very well. Okay, so I'm going to be using a very dark brown lip stain to make an outline for her lips, and I'm going to be overlining the lips. Okay, so I'm going to be using this my lip brush to smudge out the outline I make to avoid any serious harsh lines. So I also go in with this orange shade to just blend out the harsh line as well, just to add a little bit of colorfulness in the nude lips. I don't like my nude lips being all whitish and stuff. I love when my nude lips have a little bit of orange color, just a little bit of orange color in it. Okay, so proceeding, I'm going to be adding the light, just a very light pink shade in the inner part of the lips, and I'm going to just ask the model to smack, and then I blend. so because I'm a little bit dramatic, I'm going to be adding a little bit of eyeshadow base on the lips, and I'm going to blend it in. So now, and this type of blending in this part, I'm not just going to, you know, blend like just normal blend the way I do. So I'm going to be using the excess. That one I asked the model to smack, actually. You know, this lips is white. I wouldn't leave it that way. So I'm going to be using the excess I had from the blending brush. You know, like I had an excess of the products that was I blended before, the light pink shade. So I run that through over the lips again, and then it calmed down the white shade. You see, it's no longer too white, but like it give it a different effect entirely, and it makes it look more beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be cleaning out the edges of the lips with a concealer and my angled brush. This is actually a flat brush. So now I'm going to be adding the gloss to the lips. So I'm using a clear gloss to just slightly add gloss on the lips. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching